Okay, so this is the fourth video, and this is the final part of making your Nike keyring. I decided to do an extrude into the model. Okay, but you may have chosen to do a Nike extrude out. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to put my hole for my keyring in this area here. So I'm going to select that surface. I want it to go dark green. Okay, and I've got to be in the model tab, and I want to choose sketch. I want to sketch in that area, and I'm going to go into sketch view. Okay. Choose circle, and I'm going to use the center line. It locks to the center line, and I'm going to just open out a circle, choose the normal tool, and I'm going to choose a 6mm diameter and press OK. I'm going to tilt it using the wheel, and I'm going to extrude that through the model, and I want to remove material. I want to go right through so that, and I'm pulling it through using these handles, and I can see that that has gone through. It's gone through a depth of 5.5mm. If I make that 5mm, it should still be a hole through because the depth of the model is 5. Any less and it would close. Close, open. The hole is opened. I can now OK that. Okay, really that is the keyring complete. You can do a couple more cosmetic, aesthetic features to the model. We can use the round tool. At the moment it's set at 5mm, which is possibly too much for what I would want to do here. Is I want to put a radius maybe on the edge of this sharp point. You may not want to, or around here. I'm going to do it here first. So I'm going to set that at 2 and see what that looks like on here. So now that is way too much. It's made it horrible looking. So let's change that to 1. I may even change it to 0.5. Now we've got a radius. Okay, and I'm also going to do it on the back. Okay. I'm going to take this hard edge off of this as well. So I'm going to put a 2mm. That's interesting. It's going to round off, completely round off there, which I actually like that at 2mm. I'm going to put that, keep that on there, and then we're going to OK that. Okay, created my keyring, and now I mean I quite like it like that, but you could go further. You could choose another round feature. Here's your tree, all of the steps you've done. You could add it going around here. So you could, now that's put a 2mm radius all the way around that edge. I think that's too much. It does look okay. I'm going to change that to 1, see what it looks like. Rounded. I'm going to change that to 0.5 and see what that looks like. And I've got a soft radius. I'm going to put a 0.5 along there as well. So I've got just a soft edge to the model. I'm going to OK that. Obviously the rounds are completely up to you. One final thing here is it's got the Nike logo, but I'd like to put my initials next to it down here, because you are making something that is we need to know it's yours. So I'm going to choose this surface, and I'm going to do a sketch on that surface again. I'm viewing it in sketch mode, and I'm going to just put my initials in this area here. I'll use the text tool, and I'm going to just do that starts the top of the text and the bottom. So what this represents is the height of the text. Okay, and I'm going to just use capitals. Oh, it's upside down. Is it upside down? Right, I'm going to cancel that. I don't want that. I want text. That's better. So what I did there, let's show that I'm doing the text from the bottom to the top, and then I'm going to put in my initials, M, M, C. It's going to be too close to the side here, so I can extend my text. I can squeeze them in. I can tilt the text. I can change the fonts, so we can try. Now that will not work. Okay, the text that is actually set, the 3D font text, is the font 3D is really actually very good. So I'm going to leave it slightly tilted, slant angle. Okay, and I'm going to press OK. What I don't, what I want to do is move it up. So there's a measurement here that allows me to do that. So I'm going to put 6. That's too much. Double click that. Well, let's try 8. Drop that down. Or maybe 9. We'll try. Now there is another measurement here. I can move it over as well. So we'll do 2. Okay. So I'm happy to position my MMC in this area here, and I'm going to OK that, and I'm going to extrude, and I'm going to again go back down through the model, and I'm going to make that go through 1 millimeter. Okay, MMC, Nike MMC. That is the end of the final video. It's important you put your initials on there somewhere, so that we know that it's yours, so we can 3D print that. Thank you for watching.